Okay, this is a 2022 Honda Accord. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So basically, you don't have to carry another remote control around. If we would have done it adding the alarm, a complete alarm system, there's no reason for that. This car already comes with a factory alarm. We just did the upgrade on it. We'll go ahead and bang on the window to show you that first. The alarm fires off. Go ahead and rearm it. And I'll go ahead and do this tire here and then do the other one. Yeah, these cars are real hot for rim theft and airbag theft. And they're starting to go underneath the car and cutting the catalytic converters out of these vehicles. So adding the shock sensor will give you that one more layer of protection, because right now the only way it works is somebody opens the door, and nobody's going to do that. They're going to break your window and jump in without opening the door. And by the way, this kit does the door bypass, so automatically when you install it, so if somebody busts out the keyhole, it doesn't shut off your factory alarm, because that's another thing. If you don't have that done, anybody can bust out the keyhole and turn it, and that will shut off the factory alarm, and then they get in and do whatever they got to do. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on this tire here. And then I'll try the other side. Sometimes we get emails, does it work, you know, the same way in both sides? And yes, it does. This thing works all around the car 360. Some areas you got to hit a little harder than others, like everything else. Give it a second, and then I'll bang on this tire. When you're on the factory alarm, it takes 30 seconds, 30 second give and take for that light to flash in the dash and then slow down. All factory alarms have a little delay. Okay, then the remote start. Car's running by remote control. I didn't install that. I didn't put that in. It came with the car, but I wanted to illustrate that it still works, because sometimes we even get some emails too that by adding the shock sensor would prevent the remote start from not working anymore, and it has nothing to do with it. I don't know who started that. Those whoever wrote a blog about that, but no, it doesn't do it. It doesn't cause any harm to the remote start at all. The remote start will still work correctly, at least in our kits. I don't know about somebody else's product in their installation, but yeah, you're not gonna have no issues. The whole car stays intact the way it comes from factory. Nothing changes, and the beauty of it is that you don't have to carry another fob around or anything. And the beauty of this car is that you walk up to the car and you pull the handle and the door's open. So if you do it any other way, you kind of lose that feature that you walk up to the car and just open the door. It forces you to have to hit another remote control and hit the unlock on it, which it unlocks doors and everything. But it's like, why carry two remote controls? The whole beauty of this car is to have the key in your pocket. Just walk up to the car, open the door, and push a button inside and take off. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this last tire to give you this little rundown here. Okay, this concludes the installation here in this 2022 Honda Accord. Our phone numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're located in Miami, Florida. If you're out of state, don't worry, give us a call, and I can guide you how to get this installed in your vehicle as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.